We'll see how we can create a new templates or new stencils in a third model tools. So third model tool is this is one of the tools which is used for create a third model for any application. Okay, basically third model tools help us to determine the possibility of threats to be in an existing system. And so today we'll see how we can create our new templates in a thread model and stencils as well. So create a new templates, okay, and give some name, okay, and create okay. Then add stencils, okay. If we need to select a photo, okay, image. So I will select image and then I will give name. Mm, take a machine, okay. Current stencils behavior, so how it will be flow, data flow, or boundary, or target. So it's target. And what will be this shape? Rectangle. So this target, this behaviors and the shape is necessary to give. Other things we can give later also. And edit. Now if we need to add again another new stencil, then go to image, downloads. Okay, so for the ethernet we can select ethernet. Okay, for this we can give data flow. Yes, this is line current stencils. Okay, sure. This we will give ethernet name as ethernet, and we can give the description of the ethernet as well. Yeah, so from here we can select, we can give ethernet. No, it has been created. Okay, so again we will create a new stencils, choose photo, and let's select firewall. So it will be a firewall wall, and it's a target. And then current stencil shape will be rectangle. Okay, firewall, and descriptions will get from the internet. Firewall. So basically Microsoft threat modeling tools, this work on asteroid method. So in asteroid, S stand for spoofing, T stand for tampering, R stands for repudiation, D stand for denial of service, DOS, E for elevation of a privilege. So this is the thing. Okay, so we have a third stride also. Okay, third stencils. We'll create another one. So security, or we will create Azure runtime. Runtime, and we will give the descriptions. Uh, it will be the target, shape, uh, position, zero runtime. So these are the five stencils which I have created, and now I can save it. Control S and save with TEM and EW, just ENSIL stencil, and save. So if we close this project, close this template, okay, and we want to open the same templates which we have created just right now, then we can go to here, select templates, and create a new model. So okay, so you can see here five stencils we have created, and we can bring these stencils to in use. Okay, and the firewall. So there will be a attacker machine connected with internet to a firewall, and then this firewall will be connected to Azure runtimes, and we can perform analysis. So here is analysis. Right now we can't see any analysis. Okay, sure. Right now we can't see any analysis because we need to give property. We need to assign the property to this machine. So, like, what is this machine? What will be the property? What is Ethernet? What will be its property? Okay. So then after we will be able to perform analysis and give justifications for the threats and mitigations for that based on the applications design. Okay, so I will be closing this project. No. Okay, so again, so some templates is already here. Okay, we need to add stencils in that template, so we will open one. Okay, so here we have a template called herself in that, or we can use the same template which is here. Local data. Okay, we'll create from here itself. कहाँ गया ये? Okay, so from this template we'll add some new stencils. So again, same process is there. Click here, select stencils name. Okay, device connectivity editor. Okay, adapter. And then it will be at center below. And what is okay? So if we select here, mm, uh, generic, then generic property will assign to this device. Okay, and we can save. Yes. Now if we close this one, okay, and if we create a new threat model using the same template. Okay, so here we have Azure threat model. So if we create a new templates, okay, so how we can create a threat model for this. So suppose we have web application. So suppose we have a web application in that user can log in. Okay, so we have applications that is okay. Then application will help server. So we have a SER server. We have identity server. Okay. Then we have uh, Azure database. Okay. Then let's okay. Then we from applications we will be sending request to, okay, request, and then the same request will be gone to here also. From here they will be able to access the request. Okay, then we will get response. Okay, then we will get response, application response. Okay, so this is the basic applications in which we don't have a user stencils. No worry. Okay, so if we perform analysis, then we have this much not status, so we have to give justification. So it's, if web application is sending a request to identity server, IAM server is identifying, and based on our role is provide data. It's saying ask for a Azure database to give the data that user. That user data will be first shared to IAM server, and then I will validate. Okay, if data is okay, then it will be shared to web application. So the first, then we need to give justification for every thread, and then this is the threat model. So basically this is the threat model. We can give one more thing, stop analysis. Okay, so stencils. Okay, we can give trust boundary also. So trust boundary is basically, so basically trust boundary is like from where data will be flow. So this is a remote boundary, and then so this two devices will be under this boundary. Okay, so this is the trust boundary. Yeah, so this is the design mode. Okay, let's perform analysis. Now we can see we have 35 threads. So we need to go to each and every threads and give justifications. Okay. So if we go here, go to properties. Okay, select yes. Okay, uh, trust boundary data flow yes. Then okay, new thread model. So we have 35 threads right now based on the stride method. So here we can go and just a second, and justify the property showing thread boundary yes. Okay, so we don't have any. Okay, so how to mitigate the issue? Okay, let's see. Okay, so we can give justifications like, trademark as okay, request response. कैसे करेंगे यार? Okay, yeah. So here it is. So for the first one, which is data flowing from web applications to identity server, we have to give the justification. So um, yes, it's https data and appl. An application will not necessitate not send ANY yes TTP just request. Okay. So this is justifications are not applicables. Okay, and then save. Now we will go for second one. We'll select for any other thing. Okay, so let's select for 14 number threads. Okay, now we are giving justifications. So there is denial of service. So there is possibility of a DOS attack. So to reduce this, um, what infrastructures we have implemented to prevent it from the DOS attacks. So we have have APPLIED applied IAM via server to IDENTIF identify the request request from the ALID valid previous user and the on a authorized request request will be TRM determined by the IAM server. So IAM server is basically identity and access management. So like this, we will give justifications, and then risk is very low and mitigated. So mitigated is solved, and not applicable means this threat is not applicable. And need to investigate means we need to confirm from the development team and the architect design. Okay, software architect, like what um, application is being implemented here to prevent from this particular threats. So in this way we can give create a threat models and then at final stage. So here we have total 20 35, and at final is we can export to a create a full report. Okay, and generate a full report. So I am downloading it here, and EW new THREAT threat model. So it will create me a HTML. So you can see here we have given 14 number, right? Yeah. So you can see not no mitigation provided. So first number we have given explanation. So diagram 0 we have so first one is like, so this is the final reports. So as we give justifications, it will create different reports. So need to investigate, priority is low. Okay, DOS attacks. So we have set priority as low. Need to investigate means need to ask from the for IAM server. So this is the threat model and its report. So in this way we can create our own threat model. So based on stencils and the components, we have to first define the stencil. So I will close this. Okay, so first we need to check whether our project can be done with these two existing templates or not. If not, then we have to create our own custom templates, like I have created here medical devices and DFSAGI. So this is the threat model templates. So after selecting the templates, we can create threat models. If we have already created few threat models and need to perform any modifications in such conditions, we can go for open a model. Like in this, we can open a new threat models. So this one which we have already. So this is the way how we can create threat models, how we can create stencils, custom templates, and how we can give justifications. So this is overall okay. Based on your requirements or project requirements, your threat model can be different from mine. But this is the overall view how we can work with the threat models. So thank you to connected with us. Have a good day.